Hey guys, this is Mrs. Sargent. Today we are going to get started on our opinion writing. So, for the opinion writing, your setup for your plan is going to look a lot like your informative, except for now you're going to talk about an opinion. And so, we're going to look at this one over here in the middle. This week, we're only going to talk about writing our opinion, and then we're going to find 3 reasons for our opinions, and then we're going to talk about how to find fact-based details to support our reasons. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come up with an opinion about something. And so if you're having trouble figuring out opinions over here on slide 5, there's all sorts of questions like, should there be a leash for dogs? So if I was going to use that one, I might say something like, in my opinion, there shouldn't be leashes for dogs. And then I would give you 3 reasons why, as an example. Okay. There's all sorts of different ones on here that you could choose if you can't think of one. But if you can think of one, you can write one about your own opinion. Okay. But the important thing when you're writing essays is that your opinions, you can't just have something like, well, I like pizza because it tastes good. Okay. You have to have fact-based reasons to help support your writing. Think of it like you're trying to persuade someone to do something that you want them to do. You want to think of some really good reasons and have facts to support those reasons so that they want to you want to change their mind about something. So for example, on this one, it says when people introduce animals into an ecosystem where the animals don't belong, they can become invasive. So they're trying to get you to believe that if you introduce them in places where they don't go, that they become a problem. And so that's their opinion. So they wrote that right there. So on your box, you're going to write your opinion, whatever you choose, in a sentence form. And you're going to write it right here in this box. Okay. After that, you're going to write your 3 reasons. So on their opinion, they put one reason why it affects why they don't belong is because people release their pets a lot of times in an environment where they don't go. So that's another reason why they can become invasive. They're hard to control. So let's say if I had a snake or something and I put it in an environment where it doesn't go, it would be hard to control. An invasive species is something that doesn't belong there and usually kills off the predators that actually go there. And so if I had a snake that didn't belong in this environment, like an anaconda, it would kill off way more animals and not be good for our ecosystem. And so they put hard to control and they damage the environment. So they have their examples right here. So when they had people releasing pets, they looked up some information on the internet, like, they dumped them into a dump. They put them in rivers. They don't provide food for them, and the population of them increases as a problem. Whenever they said that they were hard to control, they put they're difficult to get rid of. They learn how to hide, and nature can help them hide in an ecosystem where they don't belong. Whenever you introduce them where they don't go, it could damage the environment. So their reasons to help support that is they eat too much food, they get too big, they eat farmers' crops, and that's why it's a problem. Okay, so all you're doing this week is you are going to come up with an opinion. You can use any of those off of that page, or you can make up your own. You're going to write that in the middle, and then you're going to write your 3 reasons why, and you're going to look up on the internet, if you have internet, and you are going to put your 3 supporting fact-based details. So you have to look up facts. And remember, using those good websites like .gov, .org, using those reliable websites to help you find information. Okay. National Geographic would be another good one. Also, too, if you are at home and you don't have internet, or if your teacher wants you to do a specific one, you can use your story of the week, your Antarctic journal, and you are going to write about, is Antarctica a safe place to research? And you're going to use your PDF that you're going to have at home, or you're going to use your book to help you with. So down here, journal, down here, you're going to use your story of the week to help you with your fact-based details, since you don't have another way to look at it. Okay? All right. So that's all we're doing this week. Thank you, guys. I hope that helped you. Bye.